Big news on the Ripple SEC lawsuit. Judge Torres comes out and makes a judgment on a very important issue. That article, as well as another Ripple article and a few other things today on OG Crypto and NFTs. Hello, my name is Troy, and every day we go over the latest news in digital assets and NFTs. Before we start, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, boom, boom. And then if you like the video, hit that like video. Let's get this up and going, this channel. Now, let's jump right into it. This is on CoinMarketplace. This is Judge orders SEC to turn Hinman documents over to Ripple Labs after months of dispute. Now, this is the sixth time between two judges. We had Judge Torres and Judge Netburn have continued to tell the SEC to turn over these emails that were supposedly Bill Hinman, a former SEC commissioner of FinTech, director of FinTech. He made his personal opinion saying that Bitcoin and Ethereum were not securities, they were commodities. That's considered the Ethereum free pass speech back in May of 2018. Now, let's be very honest here. It looks like after his calendar was released a couple of days ago, which we were told his calendar was lost forever or he didn't have a calendar, all of a sudden the Information Act came out and they were able to obtain a copy of that calendar, and it shows that he had met with many Ethereum, people that were very pro Ethereum. And so prior to him coming out with his speech, this is a lot of suspicion is going around this. A lot of people in the XRP army are yelling ETHgate. We're not 100% sure what's going on here. There's a lot of conspiracy theories. We know John Deaton is fighting for this, Jeremy Hogan, the entire team over at Ripple, the Ripple Council, but we're seeing progress here. We would love to see the Hinman documents. I don't think we're gonna see them personally. I think they're gonna appeal this again back to Judge Torres, and then they're gonna appeal it to another court there in New York, because they're going to delay this. They cannot release it. Why can't they release it? Why don't they want to release it? Well, I'm going to give you my opinion real fast here. Number one, I really feel that there is SEC corruption here, and it's gone beyond just Bill Hinman. I think it gets bigger. Number two, I think XRP and Ripple were in those emails saying that they were also a commodity and not a security. So that's in there as well. And I think that Bill Hinman was a guy who looked like he's getting paid, to say what he's gonna say. He's never really been a big crypto guy prior to that, and his prior law firm was representing Ethereum, pro Ethereum companies. So it just does not look good, and I think that sooner or later this is all gonna come out. Next article, it says Ripple partner releases sensational appeal to court and SEC. Here's what it says. And it's very interesting. iRemit came out and said the same thing. They said, hey, many countries have come out, not just iRemit. Many countries have come out, including Japan, and said this is a commodity. It's not a security. There's only one country in the world that has Ripple and XRP as a security, and that is United States, and that is the SEC in the United States, even the CFTC in the United States, who wants to take over regulation on the crypto industry. They're saying that XRP is not a security. So this is kind of a complete mess. Weird thinking that there was some conspiracy here, but as I digress, we're continually seeing companies come out and tell the court, hey, or tell United States, hey, this is a commodity and not a security. Next, this is a very interesting article. I went over in my real estate channel, my YouTube real estate channel called Real Estate Daily. I've talked about this. Crypto in the 401k, a grace period for crypto exchanges. There's bills for that. So there's gonna be bills coming out. I know that we had BlackRock come out, and then I believe it was Vanguard had come out as well. And they are now going to be a lot more crypto friendly in their 401ks for retirement funds for their clients. I believe that, diversifying your portfolio is really important, especially right now when stocks have run up for the last 5-10 years. And so as cryptocurrencies, you just need to, divide all that out. We're looking at a lot of different emerging markets and different technologies coming out. I really feel that this is the next easy stage for some of these bigger companies to have, regulation around them about using crypto in retirement funds. And next piece is our NFT piece here. Very interesting. This was a couple months ago, but I still want to bring in. Let me bring in Emmy, our producer, NFT guru. How you doing, Emmy?
I'm good. How are you, Troy?
I'm doing fantastic. So tell me about these couples immortalizing their love with NFTs.
So this is a really fun and interesting article brought to us by Vice. It says these couples immortalize their love with NFTs. Beyond the limits imposed by the real world, two couples tell us about their unique experiences finding a home for their love. So this is interesting. Aww. You can have, a photo made into an NFT from your wedding day, or they were also showing that they had like an image that was created to look like a more fancy wedding certificate, marriage certificate.
So wouldn't this be pretty cool that you had taken whatever, your photo, everyone gets married, and I know you haven't been married, but your parents got married, right? And they have this one wedding picture, yes, right?
Yeah.
Can you imagine taking that as an NFT and then having it all together?
That would be really cool, like thank you gift or welcome gift or whatever. That's really
no one ever does that, do they?
That would be. I think we're gonna see more stuff like this, especially as adoption is snowballing downhill faster than we can even imagine.
Right.
I think we're gonna see a lot of stuff like this, and even possibly, someone like an Elon Musk, because he
immortalizes all the girls.
He has a few baby mamas and a few children. I could see someone like that doing this at a wedding or big life event, baby shower, whatever.
Right. Very interesting, because I think that this is, I think the adoption of NFTs first started with, again, animal pictures and stuff like that. So it was more of a collectible, but a lot of people, I called it scam, right? Because people couldn't figure out that a collectible was something that was worth something, because it was just worth something of what another person would pay for it. And 90% of the world wouldn't pay for an ape picture, right?
Yeah.
Today now, if you were to put this together and your photographer, would offer NFTs, and then every guest would receive this, now people see use case.
Yeah.
Like real use case. Like, okay, I'm not going to send them an ape picture.
Yeah.
I'm seeing a picture of my wedding.
Yeah.
Or memorable events in my life.
Yeah, very cool. I think this is so absolutely fascinating, and I can't wait to see what else is going to happen. We always talk about, we keep seeing new use cases and new things and new spins, and it's just so exciting, and I really can't wait to see what else Web3 is going to bring.
Right. Yeah. Is it pretty astonishing every day?
It is.
It is.
Yeah, it's mind-blowing. I feel like every day you hear me scream like, oh my God, from my computer.
Right. Yeah. Something new happened, right? Well, guys, thank you very much for joining us today. If you like anything, hit that like button. But more importantly, if you have a comment, please leave a comment on below. Otherwise, immortalize your love with NFTs, guys. Take care, and check out our opinion piece tomorrow, Saturday, on the Ripple SEC case, and one of the very popular stock analysts. I'm going to do a little insert or a little video of what he had talked about and what he sees coming in 2022 and 2023. You guys take care, and check out our opinion piece for tomorrow.
Bye.